What is up, everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2025 Immortal Nightwalker from Lowe's. Alright guys, this thing is absolutely incredible. Like I said, I've been trying to limit the props I get this year just for storage sake and not having quite as much. But this guy, I really could not resist. I wanted to get at least one more. This may or may not be the last prop I'm getting of the season, but I knew I needed this one. For one, I have loved all the 12-footers that I've got from Techie. Home Depot ones aren't always that great in terms of quality, but the Lowe's ones have always been amazing for me. The Scarecrow has lasted, Bone Collector is amazing, and this guy looks amazing too. And quality and just this guy is crazy. He has a full body turn, so I'm super excited. It's August 31st right now, so that means we start setting up Halloween tomorrow. So I'm just gonna leave this guy back here for the night. But oh my gosh, here we go. So if we were at a store, this is how we'd set him up. You have zip ties and all that for him, which I probably will use at some point just because those are really good zip ties. And then you actually have a tether. I did not know that he had a tether, so that is pretty cool. And then there's ropes and all that. Then the snap lock pin, which is great. Here are the two arm poles. There were actually foam over the snap locks, so that gives me a lot of reassurance that this guy will be good when he goes together. But yeah, they feel amazing as always, feel really good quality, and then these are gonna be huge arms. All right guys, so right here we have the body turn mechanism, and this just looks absolutely top tier. Of course, they have the motor in there, he has a rubber belt, but the build of this, there's no plastic at all to be seen other than covering it, which is not a big deal, and it's very thick plastic. But the actual mechanism and all of that is all metal, which is amazing to see. They have bearings down there and everything. It looks very, very professional, and I think this will definitely last. So here is the shoulder frame. As you know from 12-footers, these things are absolutely crazy looking, and this is no different. This shoulder frame is insanely big. All right guys, and here is the lantern and one of the hands. This looks absolutely incredible. I love how it can just spin kind of, but also this lantern lights up, and I believe this guy actually stays lit even when he's not activated, which is just absolutely amazing. I love when animatronics do that. Like really anytime they do that, that is a amazing feature. I love when they just stay lit, and I really hope Techie does that. I really hope, honestly, except for maybe a couple animatronics, I really hope that is kind of a thing going towards the future, that all animatronics stay lit even when they're not activated. But yeah, this thing, I mean, the proportions on this guy are just absolutely insane. Here's his other hand once again, absolutely crazy big. I'm not gonna open this bag up, but in here is all the clothing. I just don't wanna open it up yet because it'll go everywhere. Right here we have a crazy amount of pieces coming out. I'm not honestly sure what all this is, but let's dissect a little bit. Oh wow. Okay, this looks like a hip loop, but I'm not 100% on that. Here we have a bunch of the miscellaneous poles that go inside him, and of course the base on the bottom, which looks pretty big. And finally, the part you guys have all been waiting for, we have the head. Holy crap. Once again on this part, the proportions are huge. This guy looks absolutely amazing, very creepy. I do wish the blood looked a little more creepy. Like I might add perma blood at some point. Not 100% sure on that though. But wow, this guy, really. All right, y'all, honestly, those are probably just leg poles in those little boxes or just other random little poles. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. You guys have already seen what leg poles look like. So I'm just gonna skip to the setup right now. That is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Here we go.